So the total cost of taxi journey is calculated as $0.50 per kilometer and $0.40 per minute. Calculate the total cost of journey of 32 kilometer, that takes 30 minutes. So since the total distance is 32 kilometer and it's 0.50 per kilometer, so we'll do 0.50 into 32 and then plus 0.40 into 30, because that's $0.40 per minute and total time is 30 minutes. Now calculating this in the calculator, you get this as 16 plus 12. So 16 plus 12 total is $28. So 28 is the answer. Second part, the total cost of journey of 100 kilometer is $98. Show that the time taken is 2 hours. So see, we know that the total cost of journey of 100 kilometer. So first we calculate the total cost of journey of 100 kilometer. So that will be 0.50 into 100. Which is $50. So now the total cost was $98. So subtracting $50 from $98, that means $48. So $48 is the total money for the time duration. So we know that it is 0.40. So 48 divided by 0.40, that will give you 120 minutes. And 120 minutes equals 2 hours. Hence, we have shown that time is 2 hours. 3 taxi driver travels a total of 8190 kilometer in the ratio 5:2:7. Now calculate the distance each driver travels. Now taking the sum as 5 plus 2 plus 7, that equals 14. Now distance traveled by the first driver will be 5 by 14 into 8190. Now doing the calculation, this will give 2925 kilometer. For the second driver, that will be 2 upon 14 into 8190, which is equals to 1170. Putting this thing in calculator, that will give us 1170. So driver 2 is 1170 kilometer. Driver 3 will be 7 by 14 into 8190, which is 4095. Hence the third driver is 4095 kilometer. C part. After midnight, the cost of any taxi journey increases by 45%. One journey costs $84.10 after midnight. Calculate the cost of same journey before midnight. So let X be the cost of journey before midnight. Now we know that there is a increase of 45%. So using the multiplier, so that X into 1.45, that is equals to 84.10. So the value, so X will be 84.10 divided by 1.45. Now putting this in a calculator, we get this as equals 58. So the answer is $58. And if you like our video, then please do subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell icon for getting our latest updates. Now back to our paper. The diagram shows the speed time graph for the first 180 seconds of a train journey. Now A part is find the acceleration in meter per second square of the train during the first 50 seconds. Now as you can see, it's a speed time graph given to you and acceleration is given by the slope. You have to find the slope of this graph. So to find the slope of the graph, you should know rise by run. As you know, rise is, from the graph you can see it's 9, means the vertical is 9 and the horizontal, the run, is 50. So 9 by 50 is 0.18 meter per second square. So this is 0.18. Now the B part. After 180 seconds, the train deaccelerates at a constant rate of 1944 km per hour square. Show that the train deaccelerates for 60 seconds until it stops. So our first step is to convert this acceleration to meter per second square. So 1944 km per hour square. What we do is add 1944 into 1000. Now 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So 3600 and then square. Solving it, we get 0.15 meter per second square. So the acceleration of the train is 0.15 meter per second square. Now using the first equation of motion, we know that what is the initial velocity? The initial velocity, now the first equation of motion is v equals to u plus at. We know that the initial velocity u is 9 meter per second and the final velocity is 0. So substituting the values in the given equation, v equals to u plus at, 0 equals to 9, we will take a as minus 0.15 since the train is deaccelerating. So it's minus 0.15 t. So the time will be 9 upon 0.15, which is equals 60 seconds. Coming to the C part, calculate the speed time graph. Now as you can see from the speed time graph, see they have given till this is actually 180. Now we know that the train is coming to halt after 60 seconds. So we add 60 to it. That means 240 seconds it is coming to rest. So here is the 240 second point and join them. And please do join them by the scale only because I am joining it by the rough hand. So this is the complete speed time graph. D part. Calculate the average speed of the train for the whole journey. We know that average speed is total distance by total time. Average speed, it's total distance by total time. Now to calculate the distance, we have to calculate the area under the graph. Now the graph makes a trapezium. As you can say, these two are the parallel sides. It's a trapezium. This side and this side are parallel. And the height is 9. So you know that this side is 240. The upper one will be 180 minus 50, which is 130. Now substituting it in the formula. So that will be half. Then bracket sum of parallel sides, which is 240 plus 130 into 9, which is the height. Now solving this, substituting these values in a calculator, you will get 1665 meter. So total distance is 1665 meter and the total time is, from the graph we can see it's 240 seconds. So the average speed is 1665 divided by 240, which is 6.9375 meter per second. Question 4. The exchange rate is €1 is $1.142. John changes $500 into euro. Calculate the number of euros John receives. Give your answer correct to the nearest euro. Now, to convert $500 to euro, since the rate is given, what we will do is 500 divided by 1.14. So that will give you 438 euros. So this is 438. Now, John buys a computer for $329. The same computer costs 275 euros. Calculate the difference in cost in dollars. So we have to convert euros to dollars. To 275 euros to dollar will be 275 into 1.142, which is equals $314.05. Now the difference will be 329 minus 314.05, which is $4.95. That's the answer. Lucy spends 3 by 8 of the money she had saved this month on a book that cost $5.25. Calculate how much money Lucy has saved this month. So it's just you do 8 by 3 into 5.25. That's very easy. You get the answer as 14. So it's 8 by 3 into 5.25. That is $14. Now Kamal invests $6130 at a rate of R% per year compound interest. The value of this investment at the end of 5 years is $669. Calculate the value of R. Now using the formula for the compound interest, A equals P, amount is principal, bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the whole power T, T is in time. Now substituting the values, amount is 6669 equals 6130. Then start the bracket is 1 plus R by 100 to the whole power 5. First we will cross multiply and then take the fifth root. So cross multiplying first will be 6669 upon 6130, which is equals 1 plus R by 100 to the whole power 5. Now taking the fifth root of the left hand side. Now we'll take the fifth root, substituting the value in calculator. So taking the fifth root, the answer will be 1.017, which is equal to 1 plus R by 100. Now taking 1 to left side, you will get 0.017 equals R by 100. Cross multiplying, that will be 1.7%. Now the triangle is given to you. The diagram shows the triangle ABC. X is a point on BC. Okay. AX is 10.6. XC is 6.4 centimeter. Angle ABC is 58 degree and angle AXB is 78 degree. Calculate AC. So to calculate AC, you take triangle AXC and then apply the cos rule. So we are going to apply cos rule in triangle AXC. So that will be in triangle AXC. Now AC square, that equals 10.6 whole square plus 6.4 whole square minus 2 into 10.6 into 6.4 cos. Now angle, we have to find that this angle first. We know that this is a straight line, this is 180, so this angle will be 180 minus 78, which is equals to 102. So cos 102. Now substituting these values in a calculator, you get the length of side AC equals 13.47. So this is 13.47. Calculate BX. Now see BX. So we now will take the triangle ABX. Now we have to find the angle A, which will be equals, we know that the sum is 180. So that will be 180 minus 58 minus 78. So this angle is 44. So now this angle is 44. Now in this triangle we can use sine rule. Now applying the sine rule in triangle ABX. So BX upon sine 44 equals 10.6 upon sine 58. Cross multiplying to get the value of BX. So BX will be 10.6 into sine 44 upon sine 58. Substituting them in a calculator, you will get bx as 8.68. 8.68 centimeter. Let's write it over here also on the diagram. So this AC is, we have calculated 13.47 and the bx is 8.68. Now the C part, calculate the area of triangle ABC. Now as you can see, in a triangle ABC is actually made up of two triangles. So first the area of triangle ABX and then plus the area of triangle ACX. So area of triangle ABC equals to area of triangle ABX plus the area of triangle ACX. Now for the ABX, as you can see, ABX will use that area formula, half of AB sine C, which will be half of 10.6 into 8.68 sine 78. So this is half into 10.6 into 8.68 sine 78. Plus for the ACX, you see it's 10.6, 6.4 and sine 102. This is 102. So we'll do 1 by 2 into 10.6 into 6.4 sine 102. Now substituting this value in calculator, you get the area of this as 44.99 and area of this triangle as 33.18. So adding them will be 78.17. So the total area of triangle ABC is 78.17 centimeter square. Next question, simplify x square minus 25 upon x square minus x minus 20. So now you can see we can write 25 as x square minus 5 square. And now this we will do the middle term splitting. So this will be x square minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. So x square minus 5 square written as x plus 5, x minus 5. Now taking x common, this will be x minus 5 plus taking 4 common, that will be x minus 5 again. Next step, x plus 5, x minus 5 as it is, taking x minus 5 common, this is x plus 4. Now you can cancel out x minus 5. So the fraction is x plus 5 upon x plus 4. That is the answer. X plus 5 upon x plus 4. B part. Write the single fraction in its simplest form. So let's start by taking the LCM. That will be x into x minus 1. So now this will be x plus 5 times x minus 1 plus x of x plus 8. Now expanding this, you will get this as x, expanding the bracket first, x square minus x plus 5x minus 5 plus x square plus 8x. This upon is x upon x minus 1. Solving the numerator, x square plus x square is 2x square. Then this will be 4x plus 8x, 12x plus 12x minus 5 whole upon x of x minus 1. So this is our final answer. Just write the final answer, 2x square plus 12x minus 5 whole upon x of x minus 1. C part. A curve has equation y equal to 2x cube minus 4x square plus 6. Find dy by dx, the derived function of y. So here we will use the formula d by dx of x to the power n, which is equals to n x to the power n minus 1. So now differentiating this function dy by dx. Now 2 is common, taking 2 into x cube will be 3x square. Taking minus 4 common, x square will be 2x into 2x, and now 6 is a constant term, that will be 0. So this will be 2 into 3, 6x square minus 8x. So this is our dy by dx. Second part, calculate the gradient of curve this at x equals to 4. Now we know that gradient is actually dy by dx only. So dy by dx which is equals 6x square minus 8x, and substituting the value of x equals 4. So now substituting 6, and this will be 4 square minus 8 into 4. So that will be, solving it, you get 64. So dy by dx is 64. Now find the coordinates of two stationary points on the curve. We know that the points are stationary where dy by dx equals 0. So when you have dy by dx equal to 0, you get the stationary points. So substituting 6x square minus 8x equals 0 and taking 2x common. So in bracket you will have 3x minus 4 equals 0. So the point that you get is x equal to 0 and x equals to 4 by 3. Now substituting x equal to 0 in the original equation, which is this one, y equals 2x cube minus 4x square plus 6. So let's write it over here. Y equals 2x cube minus 4x square plus 6. Substituting x equal to 0, as you can see, y will be 6. So the one point is 0, 6. So write in here 0, 6. Now the other point x is 4 by 3. Now substituting x is 4 by 3 in y, that will be 2 into 4 by 3 whole cube minus 4 into 4 by 3 whole square plus 6. Now solving this, this is 64 by 3. Sorry, 3 cube 27 minus this is 4 into 16 by 9 and this is plus 6 by 1. Again solving it, this will be 128 by 27. 128 by 27 minus 64 by 9 plus 6 by 1. Now solving it as a fraction, you will get this as 98 by 27. You can check this in your calculator by substituting the values. So the point is 4 by 3 and 98, 27. Function. So here are the function given. Fx is 3 minus 2x, gx is x square plus 5, hx is x cube. Find f of minus 5. So this one is very simple, just substituting the value of x as minus 5 in the function f, which will be 3 minus 2 into minus 5, that will be 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10, that will be 13. 13 is the answer. Now find f of fx, give your answer in simplest form. So you have to apply function 2 times. So f of fx, you write f and then write the function, which is 3 minus 2x. Now apply this function again. So this will be 3 minus twice of, then in bracket 3 minus 2x, bracket close. Now opening the bracket, this will be 3 minus 6 plus 4x, which is 4x minus 3. So that's our answer, 4x minus 3. Now the C part. Solve gx equals fx plus 37. Now we know that gx is x square plus 5 and fx is 3 minus 2x. So substituting the values, you get x square plus 5 equals 3 minus 2x plus 37. So this is, fx is 3 minus 2x. So this is 3 minus 2x plus 37. Now rearranging them, you get x square, taking all to the left side, x square plus 2x, and this will be 5 minus 3 minus 37, which will be minus 35. Minus 35 equals 0. Now we have to do the middle term splitting. So this will be x square plus 7x minus 5x minus 35 equals 0. Taking x common from here. So this is x plus 7. Taking minus 5 common from here. This will be again x plus 7 equals 0. Now x plus 7 common. So we have x plus 7 into x minus 5 equals 0. That means x equals to minus 7 or x equals 5. So the two values are minus 7, 5. Now D part is find f inverse x. So we need to know that function fx is 3 minus 2x. So our first step is we can write fx as y. So y equals 3 minus 2x, and then interchanging the value of x and y. So this will become x equals 3 minus 2y. Now next step is to make y the subject of formula. So taking 2y to the left hand side, 2y equals 3 minus x, so y equals 3 minus x by 2. And now this is the f inverse. So f inverse x is 3 minus x by 2. So the answer is 3 minus x by 2. E part, h of fx plus gx. Give your answer in its simplest form. So writing h, we know that fx is 3 minus 2x. And then plus gx. Gx is x square plus 5. Now again applying the function h. Now as we can see, h is x cube. So we have to cube this thing, which is 3 minus 2x whole cube plus x square plus 5. Now using the formula of a minus b whole cube, this will be 3 cube minus 2x whole cube plus thrice of 3 into 2x whole square minus thrice of 3 whole square into 2x, and then plus x square plus 5, which is the gx. So x cube is 27 minus this is 8x cube. This will be plus 36x square, and this will be minus 54x plus x square plus 5. So now we can write the final answer as minus 8x cube, and this will be 36x square plus x square is 37x square plus 37x square minus 54x, and then 27 plus 32 minus 54x plus 32. So that's our answer.